From the Goethe InsurTech Award to the Diamond Star Banking Award, this startup has won no less than 17 different awards. Nect offers an AI-based solution for processing European ID documents with video-based identity confirmation. This fully automated process with an easy and convenient customer journey helps insurance companies save costs, gain users and increase conversion rates. The two founders from Hamburg started their journey 3 years ago, right here in Munich. Today, their solution is offered to 30 million insurance customers in Germany. They are now back in town to showcase their solution. Next on stage, Nect.
Moin. I'm Benny, one of the founders of Nect, and this feels really special. It's like coming home after being like 2 years far away. We started 3 years ago here in Munich in the InsurTech Hub, and I'm really excited to show what we've been up to in the last 2 years. So I'm a software engineer. I've worked more than a decade for the insurance industry. And one thing which does not really make fun when you're a software engineer in insurance is compliance. Let me give you an example. In 2014, I was responsible for the app development of the Generali Group. And one thing we did is we made an invoice app, right? And with the invoice app, you need to verify the identity of the user because you show health data and financial data. So the first thing the user had to do after downloading the app is to verify the identity with an activation letter. So he got a paper letter after downloading an app. So that does not make any sense. But we looked at the market, and there were no successful solutions. Like, there were video ident, but this is really expensive compared to sending out a letter. So what we did at Nect is we reinvented video ident, and we used artificial intelligence instead of a service center agent. This is, first of all, very secure, but on the other hand, it is very, very easy to use. In fact, it is so secure that it is also allowed to be used by German public health insurers for the first time in an AI-based solution. And the next thing is, it is so easy to use that we are the highest rated identity verification app in the whole world. We have 4.9 out of 5 stars for something which is not really fun to do usually. So let me show you how that works. So let's assume you want to verify your identity for the example insurance in this case. Instead of waiting now for an activation letter, I just start right away. Obviously, I have to accept some terms, but then the process really starts.
Next, film the front of your ID. Hold the document in your hand. As soon as it's in the right position, the recording will start automatically. Tilt your ID so that the beam of light from your smartphone moves round the photo in a circle. This is the best way to make the holograms on the picture visible.
So we decided to use explanation videos instead of just showing text, because this really works over all ages, right? We have verified users between 18 and 89, so our average age is 49, and it really works well. The people understand what they have to do. So the first step, as shown, is to record the ID card. I have to tilt my ID card so that the holograms get visible. We really make sure that the ID card is real based on holograms and other optical variable features, but we also detect the ID document itself on the same time. So he now will detect that I'm using a German ID card, so I also have to take the back side of the ID document. So there's no sound playing.
As soon as it's in the right position, the app will take the photo automatically.
So, yeah. Now I have to take the back side of the ID card. Just a simple picture. And now the last step really comes.
Next, take a selfie video. As soon as the camera's in the right position, the recording will start automatically. 2 words will be shown one after the other. Read both words aloud, pronouncing them clearly and distinctly. Bird. Compass.
So yeah, the last and final step. Usually, information So we use words instead of face movement, like looking up and down or left and right. Because saying words feels really natural for the user. So you don't have to look left or right and feel uncomfortable. So saying words is really easy, and it is very secure, because words have a randomization factor. So an attacker don't know what word will show up. So you really can't make a fraud here in the selfie video. So we can detect masked, deepfakes, and everything you want to fake a face. So what you will see now, I've verified my identity in like 2 minutes. What I also want to show you now is the next step we can do with the Nect app. So I now have a verified identity. And we obviously also have to have the biometric data. So instead of using a TAN app with typing in the TAN number, you can also use our Nect app to verify your login. So that's now just a simple selfie. Selfie is done. I'm logged in. So this is like much more comfortable than instead of using any TAN app or using anything else. And this is enormously secure because of the biometric data. So what you've seen is just 2 products we can do on our base technology. We develop everything by our own, so we can really customize the whole process to your needs. So that's everything I want to show you now. If you want to see more, please come to our booth and talk to us. And I'm really happy to set up good products and projects with you. Thanks for listening. Thanks for having us 3 years ago, having us every time again. It's very great moment here to stand on the stage and present what we've done in the past 2 years after starting here in Munich. Big thank you to everyone. Please come by to our booth, talk to us, and let's have some good projects together. Thank you.